Welcome to another in the series of demonstrations designed to get you quickly up to speed with what's new in NXCAM. This demonstration will show you how to drill deep holes and interrupted holes from both ends. In the first demonstration, we'll take a look at how to drill deep holes. We'll begin by copying the pilot operation and then editing the copy so the drill enters the feature geometry from the opposite end and drills to the same depth as the original operation. Right-click Pilot and choose Copy. Right-click Pilot and choose Paste. Double-click Pilot Copy to edit the operation. Click Specify Feature Geometry. Click Reverse Direction. The feature geometry coordinates should appear at the opposite end of the holes. Double-click the depth lock icon to unlock it. Type 16 in the depth box. The two features in the geometry group show the 16 mm pilot hole depth. Click OK in the Feature Geometry dialog box. Click Generate. Click Verify. Click Play. Click OK in the Toolpath Visualization dialog box. Click OK to finish the operation. Next, we'll edit the deep hole drilling operation so that it drills a little beyond half the depth of the feature geometry. Then we'll copy and edit this operation as we did with the pilot operation. Double-click Deep Hole Drilling to edit the operation. Click Specify Feature Geometry. Double-click the depth lock icon to unlock it and type 134 in the depth box. This is exactly half the depth. Click OK in the Feature Geometry dialog box. Click Cutting Parameters. Under Bottom Offset, type 10 in the Distance box. This allows the tool to drill just beyond half the depth of the feature geometry. Click OK in the Cutting Parameters dialog box. Click Generate. Click OK to finish the operation. Now we'll copy and edit the deep hole drilling operation the same as we did for the pilot operation. Right-click Deep Hole Drilling and choose Copy. Right-click Deep Hole Drilling and choose Paste. Double-click Deep Hole Drilling Copy to edit the operation. Click Specify Feature Geometry. Click Reverse Direction. The system automatically infers the remaining depth after the previous deep hole drilling operation. The extra depth defined by the bottom offset has been copied with the operation. Click OK in the Feature Geometry dialog box. Click Generate. Click Verify. Click Play. Click OK and OK to complete the operation. In the Program Order view, select Drill. Select Verify Toolpath and click Play. Click OK in the Toolpath Visualization dialog box. In this next demonstration, we'll take a look at how to drill interrupted holes. Click Create Operation. Select Hole Making from the type list. Select Drilling. Specify the following objects. Click OK. Click Specify Feature Geometry. Select the two hole features. Separate features are recognized. This is because the distance between the features is large compared to the diameters. Click OK in the Feature Geometry dialog box. Click Generate. Click Verify. Click Play. Click OK in the Toolpath Visualization dialog box. Click OK to complete the operation. This concludes the demonstration of how to drill deep holes and interrupted holes from both sides. Thank you.